Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas day 21 when you're seeing it, but it's getting filmed on day 20. I'll walk through the trail, upload that, and then the rest of my evening can continue. Will and I are taking our one friend out to dinner because our friend had got us dinner before, so we're repaying the favor, and then we're going to go to gaming, and it's special gaming for me because I finally get to give my gaming friends their gifts. And let me tell you, there has been talk that the temperatures are going to rise and we're going to be near 60, like we're going to be in the mid 50s on Christmas Day. No, that's the only time I want it to snow. Oh boy. But yeah, so I need to go to the store today. I want to get a workout in today. But I'm also so lazy. Okay, so I just finished filming this little holiday look for Tuesday because I have to go to work Tuesday. It's just a normal 8-hour day, but you've seen those vlog days are so boring because it's just, hey, I'm going to work. Hey, I got home from work. It's just dull. And yeah, I'm just waiting for Will. I can see him. His family's doing their Christmas today. So I'm just, and apparently that's a pretty short-lived thing in his family. Like, it's not an all-day affair like it is at my house. We came to the Mexican restaurant again, and we are all so hungry. So these chips got demolished like real fast.
Appreciate it. I feel so honored.
Can you see what I've written? No, you can't, because I use disappearing ink. Well, at gaming. Hee hee, hee 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 hee. We have the sticky dinosaurs. Hee hee, hee hee hee.
Why are they sticky?
Because that's how they came.
Yeah, I bet they did.
Shush. Get them on secret. And dog advice.
It's your fault. You're gonna blame anyone.
Okay, so hello everyone. I know you're at an awkward angle. I just don't have a better place to put you. So, there was a few friends with Will and I who went out to eat, and then we had gaming until after 11. I think we ended at 11:20 something. And then he came over, we watched some YouTube, and we got some cuddle time. And he just went home. So, like, I've just been kind of chilling out the last couple days. So there wasn't a lot to show. And so I figured, since I do have videos and tutorials of me putting makeup on, I thought, well, we can go full circle. So I have a little something else and do makeup removal. There's nothing revolutionary or new happening here, but I have my makeup removing wipe. I put warm water on it and just initially go in and get the main stuff off. And this seriously takes off just about everything initially. And when I don't wear makeup, I just use a clean makeup wipe. And that's it. But when I do wear makeup, I will get my skin a little extra damp. I have my Origins Checks and Balances scrub. This has little scrubby bits in it, which is really good if you have clogged skin like I do. And we're just going to rub it on there just to get all of the excess stuff off. I like to pay attention to my eyebrows, especially if I have gel in. And then warm water again, just rinse off my makeup wipe. then just use that to get this off. Again, nothing revolutionary. Ooh, washing your face to get makeup off. Imagine. So today I used the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water mascara, which is a waterproof, long-standing mascara. So I tend to find that just, even with the makeup scrub, that's usually not enough. So I use some micellar water. This is the sensitive skin one. And just go right over. I'm looking at the mirror here. And just do a few passes back and forth with it wet. And you see it gets all of that extra off. And then with a dry Q-tip, nice and gently. And it just gets all of that excess off that otherwise would just stay gooped up on your lashes. So yeah, it's just all of that excess comes off. Then with a cotton ball, I usually pull mine in half and then go in with some, this is the Witch Hazel toner from Dickinson's. I find that Witch Hazel just is really great for my skin. And not only does this help get any other remaining scrubby bits from my cleanser, and help, of course, do the toning. But if there is any areas that have any remaining makeup on them, this will also get that off. Go down the décolleté area. And so you see just any little excess bits come off. And then I use my moisturizer and my eye cream, and that's it. So that's where I'm going to end. I did take my contacts out in that time. But that's where I'm going to end today's vlog. Again, I'm probably just going to combine the last 2 days just because I've been kind of having chill days. And sometimes when I do things with my friends who are not interested in being on camera, like I can show you a little bit of the table like gaming. I could just record the conversations that make no sense to anybody who's not involved, but I don't think that would help anyone. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye, my lovely humans. Into the dark abyss.